Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ABIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. Think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Pretty rough day here, not only from a price action perspective, but from a trading perspective. Liquidity was very nice, biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So want to get to some things updated here. Although the chart, I don't want to say is ruined, but the last time I pulled it up when I decided I'd do a video on it, this candle here didn't exist, and the price was seemingly making some nice sideways price action. But like I said, each one of these represents 30 minutes, and the final 30 minutes hit there where the bigger volume came in, and then this red candle showed up where it's not like it's totally broken to the downside, because to be fair to the bulls, this level of support is still in play. And let's see, what is that level? This level is down there at 45 cents. So on two different occasions, both there and then again during that final 30 minutes, the price has gone down to 45 cents. The bears have tried to push through, but the bulls have held strong. So going into tomorrow, 45 cents, definitely that key level of support. But the reason I'm just not a huge fan of that is it was looking so much better when the price was actually closing up here right around the 50-cent mark. But with a kind of breakdown going into the close today, not exactly the direction of momentum that you'd want going into tomorrow if this is indeed some sort of bottom. And as it stands right now, it's still logical to question, if this is maybe some sort of bottom where a bounce is going to happen. Why is it logical? Well, when the price was doing this and falling and falling and falling, at no point during any of this history right here did it become logical to say, I wonder if the price is going to bounce. Why would you think that, when all the price was doing was going down, down, down? However, now that the price has actually started to go sideways, it at least becomes logical. Now, don't get me wrong, though, and I wish trading was this easy. Just because the price was getting beat up and has now all of a sudden started to go sideways does not guarantee that this thing is going to bounce. I wish trading was that easy, like I said, but there is no such thing as a guarantee. Now, would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce? It would not be shocking, but again, there's no such thing as a guarantee. Now, in the event it does start to bounce, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. First key level is just, kind of the top of this channel that formed during pretty much the entire afternoon, and that's right up there at 55 cents. I'm not going to count the number of times, but a whole bunch of times the bulls try to fight through 55 cents and can never quite get through it. So that'll be that initial level of resistance. If the price can push through 55, then the next key level up there at the 65-cent mark. So we'll see what happens going into tomorrow. But again, you still got to like the sideways price action. Yeah, that final 30 minutes kind of a buzzkill, but the price is still maintaining above 45 cents. So we'll see if this is any sort of bottom or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.